say my name's Hicks. I'm in the HVAC crew. It was a little shaky in the beginning. Had a slow start. But once I got towards the end, it just got better. Got a little easier. And with the help of baby, you know, it helped a lot. So that was actually probably the easiest part. Like once I finished the, I want to say the intro, like the first few pages and stuff like that, it got real easy. That's it. From there, it's easy. It's not too hard. Well, they made me take like knowledge checks and maybe watch videos and do like little labs on like what I'm going to learn and stuff like that. Or reading like the temperatures of an HVAC unit or just dialogues and stuff like that. It helped me understand a lot. Because when I first started, I didn't understand. But once I got towards like, the labs and simulations and know what I was doing, it helped a lot actually. With Zakir, I want to say his name. Yeah, I talked to him like a few years ago. He helped me with the whole rundown from the beginning to end. So it'll definitely help you out. That's all I can say.